Does Varo Bank do cash advances? Does Varo Bank offer cash advances? Yes, Varo Bank offers cash advances through its program called Varo Advance. Customers can instantly borrow between 20 to $250, and over time you can actually build up your history with them and be able to borrow up to $500 with a flat fee instead of interest charges like you have at traditional banks. So what you can actually do is start small, borrow between $20 up to $250 when you qualify, then grow your history with them. Over time you can actually be able to access up to $500. In terms of fees, there is a flat fee which usually ranges between $60 to $40 depending on how much you borrowed from them. And unlike payday loans, you don't actually have to pay an ongoing interest on your cash advance. So you must be to be eligible, you must have a Varo Bank account and you need at least $800 a month in direct deposits in order to qualify for higher limits. And again, approval for cash advances depends on account activity as well as deposit history. In terms of repayment on your cash advance, there is 30 days to repay. You can get up to a month to pay back your cash advance. Repayment is automatic once your next deposit lands in your account. If you qualify, you immediately have access to cash advance with Varo Bank.